I'm so excited to finally start this closet makeover. Here's the before. As you can see, there is just stuff shoved everywhere. We need a better system, and today is the day that we start it. This is my side of the closet that you are seeing, and as you can see, my husband's side is just as bad as mine. We, again, have those natural hoarding tendencies, and we just kind of start to shove things everywhere, and we're both sick of it. Over here, I have some wicker baskets that we have ordered to go in the future closet, and then that garbage bag is stuff that I have been working on decluttering throughout the time in between this makeover. So if you are new around here, I shared an urge to purge where I completely and ruthlessly decluttered our master bedroom, our primary bedroom, whatever you want to call it. And we used to have a dresser over here as well as a tall dresser. And I sold all of our bedroom furniture as phase one of this makeover. Because I sold all of our furniture, including our nightstands, everything just got temporarily shoved into the closet. So I know it's kind of like a hot mess express, but everything is actually categorized into, where like it should be. Yes, I have wet hair. Just got out of the shower. Like, y'all, we are getting it done. There's no shame in the game. Like, sometimes when the motivation hits, you just gotta run with it. I always say that. Now, to catch you up, if you are new around here, again, we sold all of our bedroom furniture in our previous room makeover, as well as got a new bed frame and just have kind of started, again, phase one of our primary bedroom makeover. We got new curtains from 2 Pages. I absolutely love them. They are beautiful. They were supposed to come room darkening though, and they didn't. So I'm currently waiting on those to arrive, where they will be room darkening, as we need the blackout for my husband, who is a shift worker. We also added in the Roman bamboo shades, which I freaking love. They are so beautiful and really add that earthy organic material to the space. I'm going for a calm, neutral, minimalist, earthy organic look. And so phase 2 of our primary bedroom makeover is this closet. So with the doors closed, it doesn't look too bad. So obviously, as you can see, we are overflowing, and just there's not much more for me to declutter and get rid of, as again, I have already ruthlessly decluttered. Everything in that closet is stuff that we wear, and so that is why I am so excited to dive in. So the first step, my husband is going to remove everything, and he's actually going to custom build a dresser for the bottom. I think 6 drawers is the plan, and then we are going to have kind of cubbies going all the way up the top with a shelf, and then we are switching sides in the closet because we have a little dilemma. He's going to take this side of the closet behind me, I'm kind of pointing, and then I'm going to take this side. Here's why. So as you can see, we have this little jut in the wall, which is fairly large. And so the dresser is basically going to come up to that little jut there. And then the rod is going to extend to the inside of the back wall there, leaving me this much space for all of my dresses and rompers and stuff like that. I think this is such a great idea. Otherwise, back behind there would be such wasted space. We thought about doing like cubbies back there, but then you have to like reach in and around, and it's just very inconvenient. And so we had the idea like, hey, what if that's where all of my dresses go? Because I wear a ton of dresses. I love wearing dresses. People used to make fun of me on the channel for cleaning in dresses, and I just don't care because I love them so much. They make me feel good, and when I feel good, I'm the best version of myself. And so that's just a little side note and reminder to do what you love. Do what makes you happy. It doesn't matter what anyone else says. Anyway, I digress. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm a little nervous because it's like, you know, I'm a creature of habit, as is my husband. And there's just so much stuff in here, and I hope that we can make it fit into the closet system and also have it look aesthetic, because this might like be an awful idea, but we're getting rid of the doors, so it's all going to be open. I think we might add doors on at a future date. Again, it kind of depends how much I can handle it, if it's too visually stimulating. So let's get into the closet makeover. I'm so excited. Like any project that we start, we need to first empty it out. So in order to do that, we remove the doors and are fixing all of the holes in the walls from tearing everything apart. This included mudding, filling, sanding, and repainting the entire closet. Meanwhile, my husband started to build the closet organizational system in sections. So he built those cubbies as well as the 6-drawer dresser out of MDF. We then painted it all in Chantilly lace by Benjamin Moore in a satin finish. I absolutely love this color. If you're looking for that neutral white that doesn't pull too yellow or stark, Chantilly is your vibe. We added a maple top and gold handles for a neutral warm finish and put everything together in the closet. My husband doesn't love being on camera, and I totally respect that, so a lot of this was done off camera. Once we got the closet put together, it is time for the fun part, organizing and seeing it all come together. So I did a quick dust before adding in these beautiful large wicker baskets that I got from Wayfair a few years ago actually. I love the warmth that they add as well as the practical storage solutions for our small primary bedroom closet. I wanted some more matching baskets for the smaller cubbies to again add that warmth, and I opted for these smaller wicker baskets that I ended up ordering from Amazon. These are storing all of our undergarments and socks. Again, love how pretty and practical these are. Tell me you're in your 30s without telling me you're in your 30s. I'll go first. My excitement level for these matching velvet hangers. Seriously, they bring me so much joy. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang up all of our clothes back up to complete the closet makeover. I love this back section here, again, where all of my super long dresses and rompers fit. I just think it was such a great design detail to really maximize the space here in the closet. And here is the after. I love how bright and warm this is, as well as how practical it is. I highly encourage you to completely transform your primary bedroom closet to something like this, especially if you have an older fixer-upper house like us. They're not always super aesthetic and they have these little design details that you have to work around, but it's such a way better use of space. I will link everything that I can down below. Let me know what you think of this transformation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!